Hi, and welcome to Yadu, the place where I show you how to do something. So who do? Yadu. My name is Yatasha Backus, and today I'm just going to go over a simple way to be able to tell, are you on a network? The few different types, such as wireless and connected wire, and then how to ping on that network so that you know you're on the correct network. Keep in mind this is a PC-centered video, so if you're looking for the Mac, you'll have to look for a different video to give you directions on how to do that. Alright, so let's start. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what kind of icons should you expect to see if you're on a network. So I'm going to go down here. I'm currently connected to my network, which I always highly suggest, just because you can do wireless, but you're not going to have a strongest signal, and all that strongness can, bumps down your upload and download speeds. So I'm connected. I see this little icon. I'm going to make it really big on the screen. It looks like a square box and it has a little plug. Okay? The icon that it looks like when you're not connected, I'm going to show you that real quick. That's the icon right there, the globe with the circle and a slash through it. This is the icon that you're going to see when it's not connected to any network whatsoever. Another option is if you're connected wirelessly. If you're connected wirelessly, you'll see this icon. And as the arches, you'll see you'll have a dot in arches. And if the arches are filled, that means that it has a stronger connection. And if the arches aren't so filled, that means your connection's kind of weak. So now that you know that you're on a network, how do you tell if you're on the right network? I'm going to show you something called pinging, which allows you to ping another computer or device on your network. Keep in mind you're going to need to know the IP of another computer, printer, or your router to be able to tell if you're on the right network. I have a video below that shows you how to find out your IP of a computer for a PC, which you can check out. So let's do it on this computer. I know my IP of my router, so I'm going to use that IP. I'm going to first hit the start button, then type in CMD. That's going to give me the command prompt. I can hit enter or I can click on it, and it's going to open up the command prompt. Now you're going to write this word ping. Make sure you spell it right. Put a space, and then type in the IP of your router or a device on your network, or the network that you want to be on. And then after you type it in, you're going to press enter. And there you go. I just saw 4 pings consistent on a network, and it let me know, okay, I'm connected to a pretty good network. Now let me show you what happens when you ping something that's not on your network. Cannot reach host. Host is unreachable. Destination host unreachable. Boom. It defaults tries 4 times on a PC, and then after it's like, okay, that's it. That's what I got results. So that's how you can tell if you're not connected to the same network, is if you get this host unreachable message. And that's what you should check after you've checked that you have the icons that you have a connection to a network. And that is how you check to see if you're on a network and how to ping a device on your network to make sure you're on the correct network. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe.